Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add Instagram to TikTok. So first thing that you will do is of course open up the TikTok application into your device. And now guys, from here, just simply tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to see here edit profile. So just simply go ahead and tap on edit profile over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here social. And as you can see, you will have here a specific category where you can add Instagram over here. So just simply tap on add Instagram. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and sign in into your account over here. So guys, from here, you will have two options. You can either continue with Facebook or manually add your Instagram by providing the email and pass. And from there, once you have logged in, it will automatically add into your TikTok account. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.